or they'll rip your eyes out. Been waiting for a help me reach sanctuary. I will be your wise leader, and you a minion. Again? Jack's tearing Pandora apart to find the vault. Operations are causing those earthquakes. That, or your mom just got out of bed.
Hey kiddo, Jack here, president of Hyperion. Let me explain how things work here. Vault Hunters show up, Vault Hunter looks for the new vault, Vault Hunter gets killed by me. You seeing the problem here? You're still alive. So if you could just do me a favor and off yourself, that'd be great. Thanks, Pumpkin.
Just kept that in because Jack is awesome.
And open! Well, it was nice knowing you. I hear getting eaten alive by bullymongs isn't such a bad way to go.